Today we're diving into a detailed review of the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle Z16 SS 396, a car that pays homage to the classic muscle cars of the 1960s while bringing modern technology and performance into the mix. This stunning vehicle blends the old-school charm with cutting-edge features, making it a true standout in the world of muscle cars. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Chevelle Z16 SS 396 takes inspiration from its iconic roots, but with a sleek, aggressive, and contemporary design. The bold front grille carries a distinct SS badge, flanked by sharp LED headlights that provide excellent visibility while giving the car a fierce modern look. The sculpted hood features air vents for better engine cooling, hinting at the power under the hood. You'll notice the wide fenders, which house a set of 20-inch performance wheels wrapped in high-performance tires. The car sits low to the ground, offering an imposing stance that demands attention on the road. The rear of the car has a refined muscle car aesthetic, with quad exhaust tips and a spoiler that adds a touch of modern flair to the classic design. Moving to the interior, the 2025 Chevelle Z16 SS 396 combines comfort with performance-allotted features. The cabin features high-quality materials with leather and suede upholstery that give it a luxurious feel. The sport bucket seats offer great support during spirited driving, and the driver's seat comes with power adjustments, ensuring that you can find the perfect position. The center console hosts a large touchscreen infotainment system, running the latest version of Chevrolet's MyLink, with smartphone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to integrate your phone with the vehicle. A heads-up display and digital gauges provide all the necessary driving information right in the driver's line of sight. The car's sound system is top-tier, with premium speakers delivering crisp and clear audio, whether you're listening to the engine roar or your favorite music. You'll also find plenty of storage space, with a deep trunk and a rear seat configuration that can accommodate luggage or additional gear when needed. Under the hood, the Z16 SS 396 delivers an exhilarating driving experience. It's powered by a 6.6-liter V8 engine capable of producing 450 horsepower and 500 liters of torque. This engine is mated to either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic transmission, giving drivers a choice of engaging with the road in a more traditional way, or opting for the convenience of modern automatic shifting. The car's performance is exceptional, going from 0 to 60 in ph in just under 4.5 seconds, thanks to the powerful engine and well-tuned suspension. The Z16 SS 396's handling is sharp, with the suspension system ensuring excellent grip and stability whether you're carving through corners or blasting down a straightaway. The adaptive suspension allows for a comfortable ride during daily use while providing the necessary firmness when pushing the car hard on twisty roads or at the track. The braking system is responsive, with large ventilated disc brakes at all corners, ensuring that the car can stop on a dime when necessary. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle Z16 SS 396 isn't exactly budget-friendly, but for a muscle car of this caliber, it's fairly competitive. The base price starts at around $55,000, which includes the standard features. But of course, there are optional packages and customizations that can push the price higher. If you want the full performance package with all the bells and whistles, expect to pay closer to $65,000 or more, depending on your choices. In terms of value, the Z16 SS 396 offers excellent performance, styling, and technology, making it an attractive option for those who want a modern muscle car that still has that classic appeal. It's a great blend of nostalgia and modernity, offering the best of both worlds. Whether you're looking for a car for spirited drives, weekend getaways, or simply something to admire in your garage, the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle Z16 SS 396 is a car that doesn't disappoint. That's a detailed look at the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle Z16 SS 396. Let us know what you think about this muscle car in the comments below. Would you consider adding it to your dream car list? Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more automotive reviews. Thanks for watching.